Good morning, Kevin. Marie, look at Chris Knight go.
Good morning, Chris.
No, I'm very tired today, Faz, but I hope you're doing better.
It's okay. We'll take us a nap later.
Is that right?
Yep.
Maybe.
Dang.
Precious made a little mess. Good morning, peeps.
Morning.
Boop, boop, boop. Here we go. Who was that? Old School Mick? What's up, Old School Mick?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you? How are you guys?
Tired but good. How about you?
Same as that. Same as that. I've been at work 7 hours nearly now.
Oh my goodness. Well, thank God you have a job, but damn.
Hi, old school.
Hey Bree, how are you doing?
Good.
She's really tired. She ain't never up at this time.
I'm fine.
Oh, bless.
Waking up early one day a week won't kill me.
What time is it over there, Mike?
12:29 p.m. Just gone midday.
Oh.
Oh.
Nice.
So you've been working,
Yeah.
so what's, 7?
5.
Oh, 5. Okay.
5:30 this morning. Sorry.
Dang.
Oh, you've already worked about 7 hours.
You get to quit soon?
No,
Go home today, I mean, today.
I should be finished by about 4:30, 5 o'clock this afternoon.
So another 4 or 5 hours?
Yeah.
Do they pay you for that?
Should I?
Yeah, that's what I'm having a lot of arguments at the moment with them. They're not paying me my overtime, so
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
yeah, I'll talk about that another day because I get a little bit
Oh, I
Yeah.
understand.
Let's talk about better things. Let's see about our, because I don't know if these are better though. I think these ended up
So it's only
losing.
all hours ahead over there.
I thought it was like 12, but I don't know where that is. Maybe that's like Korea or something. Japan. Good morning, Janet. Good morning. God bless, Larry. Larry beat us again. All right. I think this is the option. No. This is the option I took out yesterday. No. No, that's the 14th. Where the, oh, it's already inactive? Well, is this one any good? Let's see. 19%. Yeah.
Yeah.
1%. This is a total loser right here. We'll have to go look at that one. Target. 44%. Yeah, what's up?
yeah. Sorry, one thing I've been trying out is the options is doing a trade in the money, like actually doing it at the price it's at and letting it go up. It seems to be producing more percentages.
Yes. As soon as you're in the money on an option, you start making way greater percentages, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
And they just
Okay,
cost a lot more when you first do it, that's all.
Yeah, no, that's understandable. That's understandable. Okay, cool. I'll mute now.
This gold one is up 491%, and we're not. Oh, that is done. Is this closed? Yeah, so 500% on that one. Damn Iova. Ain't no way we went up 350% in this. Well, what did we get the Iova at?
Iowa.
So we really were up 350% on that one? Oh, that's pretty good. And what did Iova do? Whoa. Did Iova break upward or something and I missed it? And I have no clue what's going on. By the way, as precious as my witness, oh, look at the dip. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Look at did they pull it back further than the previous one? Nope, not yet, they did not. Yeah, the purple lines are my highs and lows. Called out for this week right here and here. I don't think we got to the low yet. No. We still haven't gotten to the low purple line yet. It's coming. But we digressed. Hold on, I gotta go find, well, what am I looking for? IOTA? Nokia. Let me see. This is nice. Oh, Tesla. Oh, 30-minute. Never mind. It's going to take, it'll, Tesla back to the 30-minute blue line today, $350. Iota, not Iota. What about Iova? IOVA. Yeah, that's the one. What you got?
Good morning, Shalita.
Oh, Iova went up yesterday. Oh, shit. There it is. There's the money. There you go. Finally, look how long that freaking took. Fill in the gap trade, logo buy to the, well, it wasn't, it was fill in the gap. It was a logo, but it wasn't ricochet. Look at that. Finally, holy. So it does work on shitty little symbols. It just takes forever. Well, hold on a second then. That means my Iowa must be pretty okay in real life. Oh, I can't believe that account. Target. Oh, I sold it. Figures. Already ditched it. Dang on it. I think we made like 40 something percent, but not what that is. That's crazy.
On the golf course.
See what they're doing this morning? First, you get to see. And we had a George sighting. The Roadrunner's back, by the way.
Yes, Shalita, I am here this morning.
Can you believe it?
Good morning, Bree. What a surprise on a Tuesday morning. I know. I'm usually knocked out at this time. Hi, Sog.
So, we were looking at Precious Iova. These are the options that were taken out. This is great. Aw.
On my button.
Wait, my button?
Mm-hmm.
Or your little singing button?
This one.
All right. So where did my Iova go? Oh, great. I hate when I go through all these.
Good morning, Jan and Kenny.
Whose voice is that? All right, sevens if everyone in TikTok land and YouTube land and VIPers. Kenny and Fly to the Sky, Jan and Sog. Oh, I didn't see that's what you're saying. If you guys remember us calling out Iova until we were blue in the face and I said it's too shitty, it's moving too slow. But sevens, if you remember, we're calling it where it's going and what we wanted. Yep, about $8.
I have two of those Iova trades on the test trades on option stat.
Nice. How they doing?
I'll tell you in a second.
Oh, okay. Morning, Lazarus. Lazarus said hi.
Hi, Lazarus. Remember when you used to call Jan Flyoutsky?
Yeah, Jan, Fly the Sky, Filesky. I still do it, actually.
Fly to Sky.
Yeah. All right. All right, peepee weepies. Anybody want to up 85%, says Chris. Nice.
That's fantastic.
Not a bad return. There you go. Precious is our money maker. Money girl? Money. Well,
Money
okay.
button.
Yeah, money button. Doop, doop. Anybody want to take a picture of this trade right here? Look how long it took to develop. Look at that. And trust me, we were in
That
this.
was back in like April.
We were in this the whole damn time. Daily buy, daily buy, daily buy, daily buy. Fill in the gap. And that's why you want to fill in the gap.
Fill in the gap.
There you go.
Yes, Mike.
Yeah, I'm on them Iovas. I'm 120% and 117%.
Sweet. Chris, Knight, and Mike, can you post those up in the Discord if you get a moment in the next day or two?
Yeah, we'll do.
Nice.
And thank you.
That's fantastic.
You're welcome. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Mike. Sevens, when you guys are done taking a picture of this right here, and I'm waiting for a reason. See, they think I'm asleep, but I usually have to repeat myself 10 times till they catch what I'm doing. All right. This is a beautiful, not a ricochet trade, but this is a daily buy stop to the blue line, okay, on a shitty no volume symbol. But this is what's going to be really important, so you guys start getting this. Is, watch this. So this is your 5 hour. See right where that line is? That's your 10-hour. And that's your daily. We can go to 12, but I usually don't like showing them that. Yeah, 12-hour too. So look, this is your 5-hour buy stop. What do you guys remember about the broken Bach? Is this probably going to be a area that we can look at for entry when you see the broken Bach? So you have green, 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 red, buy, it's gonna go up. Okay. So yes, this is a very good. Now I'm gonna go up to like a 7-hour to see if that's any different. No broken, let's go to 9. Not broken. So we know it's probably the 9, 7, or $5, 5-hour entries. Now, this one in here is a buy stop, full on to the blue line. Okay, so this is very important to understand. You have a 5-hour buy stop that's above the blue line. Not ideal. Then we have the 10-hour buy stop to the blue line, 12-hour buy stop to the line. That's ideal. He must see somebody out there. And then in our daily one right here, we have the fill in the gap buy stop. See how low the purple is? Have to be super low. That's perfect. Pink, yes, to the bottom. Blue dipped, but not below like the 90% we're allowing. And then of course there's the buy stop to the blue line. So this trade, well, is goated because quite frankly, we just started doing these a little bit ago, a few months ago. And yeah, if this shitty one works, they'll all work. Yeah, this is unbelievable. NAS, SPX 32nd to blue line. Nice. Thank you, Jan. So does everybody understand why IOVA was called? And what this fill in the gap logo buy stop is? All right. Those are yeses? Yeah. There's a big delay on YouTube. They probably just heard the question now, maybe. Okay, so they're all good. Let's take a look. All right, peeps. Looks like a 1-minute buy to the blue line. Just a 1-minute sell. What we found, well, and are finding. Really? Buy, sell.
This little thing is loud.
Never heard it before. That's kind of odd. Yeah, I've never heard that before, actually. Usually they don't go before it turns light, but evidently this morning they didn't get that memo. All right, anybody in the VIP would like to call out what SPX is going to do, or any of them, pick a symbol. Hurry, because it looks like we're on to something over here. Does anybody else like to do this? What is SPX going to be doing today, tomorrow, kind of thing? Everyone's quiet.
From what I can see, it looks like it's. I can't really see it on the work. Sorry, Kirk.
Okay, no, that's fair. Just seeing what you guys are seeing. What's this look like, everybody? It's hard to tell. Yeah, to the blue line. Seems to be hitting it as you
Who
speak.
is that over there
Where?
in the corner?
It's on the bigger screen. I can see it. You got the 5 ones. I can't.
Oh.
Sorry about that.
Oh, okay, so you can?
I can now. Yeah.
Okay. go up and down, says Jan. Yep, that's true, Jan. We're just trying to figure out when it's going to go up and when it's going to go down. Okay, so we have a buy stop to, everyone can read this. Everybody, buy stop to the what? There's your time period. Yeah, buy stop to the 15-second blue line, SPX. Precious, what's that take profit? I can't read. Oh, sorry.
769.87.
All right, is that a real? Yep.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
30-second. Well, looks to me like that's a 30-second what?
Buy stop.
Oh, you can sing it. I can hit the little buttons too.
No, I can't sing this one.
There it is.
Oh my goodness.
Who remembers this flash from the past?
It sounds really, why is it
I don't know.
rattling like that?
I blew it up, moving it 3 million times.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh,
Wait a minute.
there's something loose in there.
Yeah, it's like a spring or something.
That's
It's
cute.
shaking around.
30-second buy stop to the blue line. Okay. Take profit. Matter of fact, if you're ever up, you can start typing these in. That's what I really need. 45-second. What's this, peeps? Well, this is just getting redundant. Buy stop. Green, 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 red. Buy. Pink crossing blue to the blue line. To the 1 minute blue line. Now this is a 1 minute, 2 minute confirmed, teaching the VIPs that don't have to have all the real direction bars. The sniper overrules it. Sniper blue line high, pink purple low. You have your fill in the gap trade. So this is a confirmation 1 minute, 2 minute buy stop. So we have a very good shot of going up to what number today, Precious? Little white one over there. 771. Right there.
771.22.
Yeah, and that's for SPY buy to the 1 minute blue line. For like, leave it alone. Yep, and that's what that is.
Eating my cantaloupe.
Now, everybody, SPX hit nice, Jan. Thank you for calling that out for us, Jan. All right. Now, true or false? Price action goes straight up and is going to go touch that blue line like that. True or false? Straight up. Thumbs down.
I'd say false.
I agree. All right. So if that's not the case, we can extrapolate from the red right here something. It was red right here, it came up, did a fill in the gap trade. Should that be what we expect again over here? Should this go up? And then should it come down but stay green and do a fill in the gap trade? Yes or no?
I would say yes.
Yeah.
Because of the type would lead it to do that.
So we can extrapolate. And now you can see the future. See, Precious? They always said I was, what are they, paywalling or whatever that bullshit term is? But I'm teaching them exactly how this is going to look. And they all know it too, because they've seen it a million times at this point.
Zinger.
And then this means price action will go up, hook, come down. Probably do it again actually before it hits. Or it might even go up, hit, come back down, do a ricochet and do that. But either way, that's what it'll be doing today.
A Rick O'Shea.
Okay, since this is on the minute chart, do we expect this to happen today? Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct. All right. So this is what you're looking forward to SPY. So if we're looking at this to go to the 1 minute, does it have to hit the 15 second, 30 second first? Yeah. So let's go look at that 15 second again. Right there at it. 30 second. No. Now, do you do your buys when the pink, purple, and blue are all high? Is this when we enter a trade? Nope. See, look at you guys answering the questions correctly. So what we're gonna do then is we're gonna wait here on the 30-second too. We need these to either all three come down or one of those come down. We need all this to come back down here. And we need these to stay green. And we need price action to hook. All right. All right, guys. Any questions over that read for SPY? All right, precious. That is a very short-term read. This is going to happen, quickly, what I'm showing you. That's what's going to be going on. We go up to the 1 minute, but now there was something funny here on this 2 minute. All of a sudden, this area in here isn't all green. It's a little green, getting greener, but there's some red down here. Yeah, this is not where an ideal sell would be or a buy. 3 minute, 5 minute, midterm going down to the 15-minute blue line. Yep, that's what we're looking at. So now I see a 5-minute SPY, 10-minute, yeah, it's kind of a fill in the gap. I don't like it's not enough room in there. Yeah, see, it just moved anyways. That's the upward movement. All right. Fill in the gap, fill in the gap. This is a SPY, 15-minute ricochet back down to the blue line. Ricochet is sung by who, Precious?
Sia.
Yeah,
Not Rihanna.
All right. So we have a little, comes down, hits the blue line, can go up and over our lines on the 15-minute SPY. It can come up into the channel itself and come back down. It could ricochet literally off the yellow line and come down. Well, if we think it's going to go up to what blue line, everybody? Will we think it's going to the 1 minute, 2 minute, or 3 minute?
1 minute, I think, if I can remember.
Yep. Very good answer. Correct answer. So if that's the case, we draw our line on the 1 minute. It's going to hook down a little bit because the 1 minute blue line will keep dropping a little, so I might drop that down a little bit more. And now we're going to have our roughly speaking, at least our direction of where we're going to be going. Okay, so now I told you it's going to do one of three things. Well, if you look closely, I just gave you the answer of where I think it's going to be going to make its move. So price action is currently at this dotted green line. I'm calling it to go to this, what color is that, baby? Blue? White? Okay, whatever color
It's
that
like
is.
a really light blue, kind of.
Really
Looks like.
Okay, so we think it's going to go to there. So the ricochet came down and is coming up. We think it's going to go above and then hook and come back down again. In which case, we have our green first fill in the gap trade. We want this to stay a fill in the gap trade, but it's got to go up for several minutes to hours here. So this might be a hard hold. See right here, this is solid. It's got a lot of room right here between this red histogram bar and right here. But this has still got a movement up too. So this is likely for the 15-minute, but let's just go see what the 20-minute looks like. And see if these are more solid down here. Yes, this would be better, much better. So now we have all this space between where that space is and this is. This looks like it's going to hold better. So now if we're going up to the 1 minute, now we see where the hook will happen right in the channel up to the 20-minute. And that's what I think you're going to see happen. You'll see these shorten, turn red, but stay red like that, and then hook and come back down. These aren't finished going up yet, right? The pink is, the purple wasn't, so it's going to hook and come down. So now, logically, everybody on TikTok, will we end in a 4-hour GG? Oh, I don't know. We'll get to that in a minute, Jan. Going in order. Fayez, Chris, David, Miss Janet. Do you guys see what I'm rambling about this morning? Yes or no? This is really, really, really good training. So now we walked you through the 5-second, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minutes, tied it into your 15-minute, 20-minute. Okay? Alex Trade, Ryan Marcus, Tiffany. You can welcome everybody there. That's good. Actually a really good thing.
Shepherd. Papa Star.
Yeah, I don't know who that is either.
Bullish NQ.
You must like Naz.
Jirash.
Remember that one little guy I showed you that was going around in different cities busting people that didn't know how to day trade? And
Yeah.
He was mocking them, LARPing. He said they were LARPing. What the fuck's wrong with our generation nowadays? Oh my God. Anywho, I'd love for him to come on and talk to us or me about this. I think it'd be fun. He'd look like such a fucking fool. What's up, Joe Biga? We're on this morning with Bree, I think. Bree is ready to go.
Good morning.
You ready to go? No.
Somehow they never make it to you. I don't know.
Yeah, no.
Somehow it never gets to you.
Yeah, remember the one professional trader that would debunk all the other traders and say if they were legit or not? What a clown. He's going to debunk. He doesn't even know how to trade. Oh, I retired trading. Yeah, there's a lot of fucking millionaire crypto people that don't even know the fucking first thing about trading. They had a lucky horseshoe up their ass when they traded Bitcoin or something, and that's how they made their money. Give me a break. They don't know how to trade. All right, so now we're up to the 20-minute. Does a 20-minute, 15-minute time frame usually happen same day? Yes or no?
No.
I would say likely. 5 minutes for sure. 10-minute, yeah. 15-minute, yeah. 20-minute, yeah, most likely. 30-minute, negative. Morning, Joe. Yeah. But we're looking at a 20-minute here. That's why I'm making that determination for you. So now we're up to the 20-minute. Considering all the signals are called off to 30-minute. Does the 30-minute look like a buy stop to anybody? Yes or no? No. As soon as we get done walking through this, we can just start talking. All right, now we're up to the 1 hour. You can clearly see on the 1 hour, a weakness happened, a break. You can see the 1 hour has the real direction. Bar 1 is flipped to red. So this is telling me this pull down isn't finished yet on the 15-minute, 10-minute, 8-minute, whatever blue line it needs to go to. It's just coming up temporarily, and it's going to see this up right here with the pinks coming up. It's going to hook and come back down again. Okay? Good job, baby. Then we're going to go up to this 4 hour. And now we're going to be looking really hard. So now we have our faster buys. Now this looks pretty good to me. Inside the white rectangle, everybody that can say the answer, say the answer. Is this a fill in the gap trade forming? Yes or no? Or is it? Oh, I didn't see that. Look. Wait, trick question. Or is this a full-on buy stop?
Looks like a buy stop.
Yeah.
For me.
So if this is a full-on buy stop, is the sniper in its proper position for a full, this is a buy stop. Is the blue line low enough? Yes or no? No. No. Yeah. So again, this would tell me that we're inside of this little candle here. We're gonna hook up, make a little wick, come back down, finish this blue line coming down, which would be your 15, 20-minute cells we talked about. See how it's all tying together, yes or no? So we went from the 15, 5 seconds to the 15, 20 minutes. Now we're up to the 4 hour, 5 hours. So if this is a buy stop, we have to go to a higher time frame to look for the fill in the gap. Fill in the gap, Precious says. What's that? That's our logo trade. So we're gonna come over to here. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, Precious started singing again. So again, this is the fill in the gap trade. We're on a good little EMA there. That looks really nice. Space, blue high, pink isn't low enough again. So this is a 10 hour. Let's go to that 9 hour and see. 9, all right, screw it, see if that 5. Nope, too close. The 5 right there, I think it might even be red. If not, it's too close. 7's better. So basically you're looking at a 4 hour, 7 hour buy stop, fill in the gap logo trade. Pink is much better down here on this time frame. Okay, so this is how you'd read the 4 hour range. Yes, this will be a rewatch 100 times video. Nice, David. Coach, if the buy stop is in the 50% range or less, can we expect it to switch? Right. What? To switch the bullshit in the 50% range? No.
Goes with the bullshit.
Yeah, I think he means here. How am I reading this? Yeah, if it's, I just use the visual. I know you guys say, well, what's the 50%? Use your own judgment on that. You know, if you saw it like here, that might have held, it did. Much better likelihood of holding it is. Because these are every candle. It has to stay going down 7 hours, 7 hours, 7 hours, 7 hours. There's only 2 7-hour candles in a day, if that. Yeah, that's all you're going to get. So 2, 2, 2, 2. So take forever if they're going to try to yank it further. So they're not going to. So this is a 7 hour. Now, you all know the answer to this one. What do we expect long term for it to do? After this, so the 4 hour to 7 hour isn't expected to be done in a day. It is not expected to be done in a week. This could take up to 2 weeks to 2 months. After these 10-hour trades are done, what do you expect it to go to and to how high? Everyone knows the answer to this. I've told them 1,000 times.
All-time highs again.
Record all-time highs for what 2 symbols? Well, for a thing itself, for SPY itself, and NAS and NQ. Okay, so that is your explanation. So we went down from 15-second and went all the way up to the weekly record highs. Did this help everybody? Yes or no? If you say no, tell me what the fuck you need. What more do you need other than me explaining exactly what's going to happen over the next 5 seconds to, months from now? You can do the same analysis on NAS, XSP. It's the same exact symbols. The only one that will be different will be SQQ, because SQQ is doing the opposite. Come on. Where else are you going to learn this stuff at, Kirk? You're welcome, Fayez. All right, Precious. Y'all done eating my baby?
Yeah, for now.
All right, how much longer do we have?
Keywords for now. It's 8 o'clock.
What time do you have to go?
Like 10?
Oh, so you're not done. Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha, okay.
Oh yeah.
Helped
I'm
a ton.
here. All morning long.
All right, well, good. All right. So does anybody have any questions for Precious? For Bree? Does anybody have any questions for her? Better be nice questions for her.
I don't think anyone's asked me a rude question.
Yeah, nor will they have to be blocked for life.
I've got that feeling.
I mean, got it by 1,000%. Helped a ton. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right. Precious, what would you like to talk about this morning?
There's so many things to talk about.
I know. Isn't it
It could be
great?
talked about.
Isn't it great, Precious?
Let's see.
Hey, Practice. This is Kirk. I have a question.
Hey, Kirk.
Hey, Kev.
Let's see.
I'm out here. I'm outside enjoying a beer in Thailand right now. But,
Nice.
Rubbing it in our faces.
hey, man, I look at that beautiful backyard where you guys got in Vegas, and I'm like, go for it. But
Yeah.
I
no,
have a
you're
question.
right.
What would you have to say to two young ladies that are starting their investments, or what empowering words would you have to say to them?
Aw, Reed, you hear that? I think his two beautiful daughters might be talking about. And yes, I would say two things. Always, with God on your side, anything is possible. So always ask Jesus for help and turn to him for everything you always need. And then second would be look to your dad and listen to what he's doing, since he seems to be doing pretty well with it. I have a lot more to say
I'm
too.
going to pull this recording down. They're all on board 100%. But it's good having a community like we have in VIP
Yep.
to bring others in and build it. So yeah, build people up.
Yeah, and
Thank
then
you.
just
Thanks, Kirk. Yes. So what do you think, Precious?
and the sky's the limit, really.
So how would, because he's probably wanting an even more direct answer, like how could they be successful doing it also, and not being truthful when I say God first and then, their dad,
So
but specific.
I would also, again, not a financial advisor. We just gotta say
Demo
that.
trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
But
Neither is Bree.
right, I am not. But getting into some kind of Roth, I'd say would be a good move, because Roths are very powerful. That's why you can only max them out at like a certain amount a year.
Yep.
Like usually $500 to $600 a month. That would be a really good start.
And just shove it into a SPX fund. Let the markets do the work for you. They filter out the losers and only keep the best companies in. So, it would be a very, very simple way to do it, what Bree's saying.
And they have time on their side,
Yeah.
right? So they have years of compounding interest as
Oh,
well,
yeah.
since they're so young. So so as soon as you can start that, I mean, really the better. Time is on their side. I mean, it's crazy, like the difference between someone starting investing at 25 long term versus like even 35, especially 45.
Night and day. Yeah.
Like the longer you wait, the more you miss out on.
A very good answer, Precious. Yeah, I would agree with everything she said.
Great. Thank you, guys.
Oh yeah, you can get a lot in. You're welcome. David said there's ways of getting $35,000 a year. Yeah, you can get more than that, David. Woo!
Well, and then there are such things as, because some people make too much money for a standard Roth. You do have backdoor Roths in different ways of like contributing through like a company, your LLC, your S corp, stuff like that. A trade. Don't drink and trade. Bree, will you tell a story from when you first started to see that Kev had trading superpowers and he'd reach his goals?
Yes. Just saying.
Well, first started to see that Kev had trading superpowers. Well, first of all, is his work ethic. That alone showed me that he would eventually succeed in this. Because I have never seen someone work so hard at something. And if you work that hard at something, the only outcome is success. The only outcome is to achieve what you're trying to do. I'm talking, I don't know, 18 to 20 hours a day. You know, like if he wasn't at the computer working on it, sleep for a few hours. I mean, it was just like nonstop. And then the reams of paper he went through.
Nobody's doing that.
Printing trades out and analyzing and looking. And
Those external hard drives that fill up too.
yeah, like all kinds of stuff. So it's like people think a hard day's of work is working 8 hours, coming home and sitting down. I mean, he would literally work all day, like barely leave the desk. So once again, when you see someone working that hard at something, they can't help but succeed. I mean, but see, that's a lot of people, they don't want to put that kind of effort into something though. You know what I'm saying? It's rare to find someone that's willing to sacrifice that kind of time. You know, a lot of people, they don't want to do it. If they think working 8 hours at a job is too much, and sometimes
I was working.
right. Like if you think that's hard, I mean, trying to figure this out was way harder. And you're going unpaid. You know, you're just
Losing money at first.
Exactly, losing money. But then, I mean, I don't know, stuff just started hitting. He started doing small trades. He
The
was
ones
able,
that ERU, USD, U to Chef, those opposite trades. I always
A lot of
refer
the
to the gas
pairs,
station.
yeah.
Yep.
what do you mean the gas station?
When we were able to cash those out, now that you hit the buttons because of the 21s, and they were like $18 and $21, like 6 or 7 of them in a row.
Yeah.
That was fun. I remember when I did that one. That's my memory.
Yeah. And then it's like, before you know it,
Another question over
things
there?
got better and,
Oh,
you
what
know,
is
it's
this?
refined. And it's again, like you can start in one place, right? Like the OG system
It was perfect.
is, yeah, and there's still people that use it.
Yeah.
But, you know, and he kept working on it and perfected it. He's always worked on it. It's never stopped. He's
Never.
never stopped working on it.
Never will.
But at least the 18 hours a day days are past them.
I'm sleeping a little bit more. Yay. Might keep me around a little bit more. Nice. Did Bree miss any other questions you guys had, or do we?
I think,
Jan,
hold on, can you scroll up a little bit over there?
this one?
Yeah, when a trade goes south, how do you gain back confidence? Because I seem to win and demo trades, but somehow misread me using real.
Yeah, that
I mean,
happens,
that's
Fayez.
it's a common issue. You know, like it's hard. That's like the mental part of trading.
Yeah, that's when you got to get yourself to be trained so good you stay out of beta, get into alpha. You can go back and
Yeah.
forth, because if you can't control that emotional loss when you lose and it shakes your world a little bit, you just, to be honest with you, either you're going to have to paper trade a hell of a lot more, demo trade only, because you can't use
Right.
real money and lose. But that when you lose real money, all of a sudden you start paying attention to shit a lot more closer.
Right. So it's just a matter of like, you know, once you stick into the system and stick in to what you know, that should overrule the emotion of it, right? Just
Yeah.
think of things like logically,
That's why it's a system.
right? The system, following the rules, right? Sticking to the rules, not your feelings,
Amen.
not the emotion.
The rules, which I'm updating the rules first times in 3 years, 2 years. No, 3 years. Just, I'll be updating them. It goes on the same type form.
Right. But it's, yeah, I mean, it's hard. It's hard for a lot of people, though. Don't feel like you're alone. But yeah, that's where you just got to stick to the system and the rules and not let your emotions get the best
Correct.
of you, you know?
And there's plenty of cheat sheets on how to do what she's saying. So to get yourself not to get that emotional, then just put the replay back on and redo every trade you've ever done and try to read it correctly. That's the power of recording your trades with Ice Cream Recorder. Did I used to do that, Precious?
Absolutely. Everything he tells you guys to do, he's done.
Amen.
It's not him just telling you to do it. He actually did it. When you printed up those trades, what did you do with them and how often did you look at them?
Huh. All my trades?
You
There
look at
was
them.
hundreds of, some days, I mean, I couldn't keep the ink cartridges. Thank God they were as expensive then as they are now. I
You
mean,
might
yeah.
still have stacks.
Oh, we do. We have stacks of those.
But
Yeah.
he would just review them like play by play by play. I mean, look at them over and over and over.
What worked,
again.
what didn't work.
Yeah, it's insane. Like I'm telling you, going through reams of paper, a cartridge of ink in a day. I mean, it was a lot of printing. Like it's actually crazy.
And then I would keep them, look over later, I'd review. What you guys understand is the power of the ice cream recorder, and you guys can record your trades or record the whole, I would ice cream record this whole entire session right here.
And that way you can see everything moving.
And then play it back and scrub it. What do
Right.
they call it, scrubbing?
Yeah.
Where you scrub it and go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and find every trade and replay. Because Fayez is losing a trade once. Well, why stop at that, Fayez? Lose a trade 1,000 times. Watch the playback and keep losing it 1,000 times. I guarantee you after the 10th time, you're gonna go like, I'm not doing that again. Then after the
Right.
100th time, you're gonna like, fuck, no, I'm not gonna make that mistake again. And you lose 1,000 of those trades. You can just put, because you can play it back over and over. You can go 100 times. You can put it times 10. You can scrub it. You can move it with your own hand, whatever it is. But Fayez, if you would learn how to lose 1,000 times one specific trade, you'll never lose that trade again.
Just like a big part of this is pattern recognition, right?
That's all it is.
Like you
Pattern recognition,
you
baby.
recognize the pattern,
Yep.
right? And there you go.
That
Leave
is
the
so-
emotion
that's
out of
so
it. Just focus on the pattern. Thank you for those words. Knowing it's normal is uplifting. It's very normal. A lot of people struggle with that. Like they get confident on demo, and then
And
after
think they
that,
know it all, and they don't.
Right.
Get a little too confident on a demo.
But yeah, it happens. But you'll get through it. I mean, you're smart. I've been writing my reason, say the trade, and adding points to why it didn't work out or works out, or what's the difference.
Writing it out is one thing. Taking pictures is one thing. Video is better. Sevens, if you all understand that you need to video. It's in the rules. Maybe I'm gonna make its own sheet.
Because if we're doing pattern recognition, it would help to have the visual, right? Because you're looking for a pattern.
Yep.
When you see the visual over and over, just like the Parker brothers, how they put the perfect trade as their background. So every time they text each other,
Yep.
that trade is their background. Why do they do it? So every time they text each other, they see the trade. It's a good visual for them to look at, to refer to.
Amen. I'm not reading what they're saying, so if you are, listen.
Oh yeah, I'm looking. Smart enough to start my trading journey with my system
Look.
first thing.
This is exactly what Precious is just telling you. You want to get good at trading? Recognize, memorize the patterns that I teach you.
It's actually a good thing that you don't have any trading
Amen to that,
experience,
Fayez.
because some people are very indoctrinated to the other ways that it's very hard for them to get out of
The
it.
number one reason people fail with the systems, they can't stop their bullshit old ways of trading. That's why they fail. They try to combine it with the perfect system and it doesn't work. That's why you fail. Good morning, Paul Orlando. When you printed up those shits, okay, we didn't miss anything else.
I don't think so.
The smartest people, Precious, aren't information collectors. They're pattern recognizers. Yeah, that's us.
Well, and of course, it applies to more than trading, but
Everything in
I don't know. I
life.
think I used that example before. It's almost like you know the definition of the word, but because all you know is that definition, you don't know how to apply it to something else. Like, instead of just knowing the definition, do you know where it appears in like a real life scenario?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, don't just know the definition.
You know how to apply it.
Right.
Make
Learn.
the application.
Right. Learn how to apply it to what you know.
I think the one thing we learn in life is that we need to recognize the indoctrination in our lives, which we at least suspect, and be willing to let go and relearn the correct habit. No, that's true.
I absolutely agree, because there are a lot of people who are well into adulthood and they still say things like, oh, well, I was just brought up that way. That's the way I was taught. That's just how it is. And it's like, once you become an adult, the excuse of that's how you were raised and that's just how you were taught, you should really think that over. Because just because that's the way you were raised, that's the way you were taught, that doesn't necessarily mean that's the right
You got
way.
to break free. Yep. Silly.
You know.
Precious. Gold.
Mm-hmm.
Anti-gold is the opposite, GLO.
Right.
Okay. So gold's a buy and GOL is a sell.
Clear as day to me.
Oh, okay.
Clear as day.
You think gold might be going up to the previous orange line over here?
I'm sorry, what was the question? I was looking at the Zoom.
Is the dotted little green line going to go up to where that orange line is? Yeah.
Yeah.
So on the
Yeah.
bottom here for the sell, will we
Boom.
expect this to go down, the green line to go down to this orange line?
There you go.
So if we looked at this, we should say, hey, long term, you might want to buy gold.
Yeah.
Is it done going down yet? I don't know. It's like a pretty good hook up. See over here, this little hook thingy down? Yeah, it looks strong. Is it down low enough? No. If this is the blue is here is high, that means this is the buy, I'm sorry, sell stop here. And if it's low, this means this is the buy stop, meaning this is crazy because you're looking at a weekly, this is now the weekly is the fast. So this blue line has to hook up eventually. So we need a higher time frame fill in the gap. This is crazy. This is going to be a very slow move. So we're at a 3 week, there it is, fill in the gap, right? And then this is your bounce stuff. So now we're seeing that hook up again, but this is going to take a long time. This is, so each week has to jump by, then the purple has to come up, pink's already up, then you have to get the blue to come up, then you need all these greens to come up, then you need price action to come up to here. This is gonna be out 1.5 years, 2 years, maybe sooner, but that's how long you're gonna have to take options out on. So if anyone, Precious, can you remember the number, whatever that is?
4819.
Yeah, so let's just
Oh,
do
wait,
like,
kind of moved.
sorry, like 4,800.
Right, 4800.
And we're looking to go out for years. Did anyone figure out that we're gonna go build? Hold on, we gotta get all this. We're gonna go build a long call And what symbol were we looking at? Anybody remember? Oh, I think something's saying on. Were we looking at gold?
We were indeed.
So GLD. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it.
Cold chairs, yeah.
Is this the GLD?
Mm-hmm. GOD, yeah.
Okay.
Was it not supposed to look like that?
I don't know. We didn't run those numbers. I wasn't calling
Oh.
that one out. So that's why I was looking at it like 10 times over. I'll let you share. Here. All right. So the GLD then. Let me make sure which one we're on. Nope. That's SLB. Same thing, but let me get the GLD numbers in here. Why did you guys want to look at SLV? What was this?
SLV was silver, I think.
Oh, we're using it as a net. Oh my God,
Because
my
it went
bad.
Conjunction. But
So
you could
where's
just
my
write the
fourth?
GLD to look at.
Yeah, but I want to keep this. Let me pull this back over. Thank you, David. Let's see if we can get the right one there. Yeah, perfect. 450. So let's go over here. We have, we're going to pay through the ass on this, are we not? This is going to be bad. All right, we can go all the way out here. What is this? December of 2028. Yeah, this isn't going to be good. They might not have any volume on this.
They got some volume.
Boy, it does. Nice. How much do they want? 2 over is 5. So you pay about $600. Let's see something really quick. All right. So where are we at? 59.95. So 6.
That's $6,000. Almost.
Oh, sorry. What are I looking at? Oop. Shit. Where's the 450? There. 59. Oh, shit, he's right. It's the point. Why am I tired?
Oh my God.
Taxi scared you. Yeah. Any rate, let's keep looking. Nope. Let's go back there.
Tuxie.
See, it's just ridiculous what they're doing. This is when Kev's verticals would, but I can't call them. I refuse to call something I can't make money with, so I'm not calling those. This is just silly at this point. All right, just buy at $405.47, just buy the symbol, GLD. We're not going to get anywhere near where we need it to be. Can I go higher? Well, we can, but I don't want to push it.
Gotcha.
Fair and square, Tux, you got to grin and bear it, buddy. Take the kisses. 500, but it's just getting silly. Damn, I really wanted to get one of these. Do they have a faster? Hold on. Let me see something real quick. Precious. All right, this is that GLD, the actual one. I want to see if they have a faster buy somewhere down here. Fill in the gap, 15-minute. There wasn't much of a pull now. Look at Tux. 407 is not much of a movement up either. Yeah, let's hope that we get a nice big pull down here. Where can I see one? Oh, there's something for me. Let me see. 4 hour? 2 hour? Ooh, I think it's breaking out though. Fuck. It is 2 hours of buy. Buy, 2 hour. Can we get a 10 hour then? Or is that going to be a sell? No, you see it's pulling. Can I get it to go quicker though? You know, I'm willing to risk that. Say the weekly's red. Weekly red. No, it is a buy. Thank you, Precious. Weekly, 3 weekly, same. So this is what you got to do. All right. Yeah, we can kind of maybe go in a little quicker. And we can push it to 475. Let's look again. Let's see if I can go quicker and get a better one for us. Well, something that's not how much did I say? Shit.
475.
Was it 4? We might be able to pull this. 2. Oh, no one's willing to go out that far because of the thing. Oh, great. Oh. We are striking out left and right. Oh, no, that's still going to be. I don't know if there's any news this morning. Don't care either. All right, let's check for Reg's birthday right around there.
Application greater than theoretical. Yes, it's like applied science formerly taught in high school. Yep. Yeah.
I just want to buy a long option, just so we can document it and put it in. You know what I could do? I could go in InMetaTrader 4 and get straight gold and do it through there. I might do that. All right, well, that's not working out. But everyone, that's what gold's doing. If you want a more detailed gold call, I can do that for you. Let me know, but no, otherwise I'm not doing that. All right, Coach, one more question. Sure, ask away, Fayez, what you got? This might be for you, Precious.
But yeah, you know, it's okay to think freely and, you know, think your own thing.
Think your own thing, Precious is. Oh, it's all that, Precious. I can't read all that.
On the NAS, we know that 1 minute blue line will be hit, and the
Oh,
long-term
towards
15-minute blue line will hit. But given where the is close to 15-minute blue line, is there a way to know which one will be hit first? Now that the 30-second has turned red.
They form an order,
So I'm guessing the
and it literally, if you have the reverses, it'll tell you. Literally in order, and it tells you when it's flipping.
flip.
Flip, flop, flop.
Flip.
Yeah, I don't know if as they form an order. That's why I went in order. I didn't do top-down analysis. You know, I did bottom-up analysis, which I don't think anyone on earth does or knows what the hell that is.
Right, the smallest.
Yeah, I went from the 5 second, 10 seconds
Right.
to the 15.
The smallest
to
time
all
frame
the way up.
to the biggest time frame.
All right, so let's see.
So the order is
It's all red.
important? Yes.
Yes, the word. Fayez, you really got to read the rules, my friend. Please.
Yes. The order is definitely important.
Precious is like.
Let's say it's
sounds
wrong
like-
entity with a sniper look.
Yeah, follow your sniper, overrules everything. Follow the rules, they overrule the sniper. This is funny. What's this about? A 10-minute spy. 10-minute spy, huh?
Imp. Isn't that what they call Tyrion in Game of Thrones?
Is that?
Imp?
Yeah, an imp. Like a tiny little
Right.
spy. SPX below, sell. 10-minute sell. Well, 10, 15, depending on what you're looking at. Total sell stop, fill in the gap, sell stop. See how the blue matches the pink, by the way? This is your saying inside the channel below. Broke down, hasn't broke down. I would really be looking for SPY, SPX, ES1, all to be breaking down for that, yeah, in the 10-minute buy. So if you were going to go in, we can't do anything, can we? Well, that's what you need to do. this is SQQ is gonna go up and touch its 10-minute blue line. Oh, I usually put on my little dings, but I haven't been doing that because I didn't want to interrupt your sleep. So at any rate, take profit for SQQ is gonna go to, I really can't read that one. It's gonna go to 3804.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You read it good.
Thanks, precious. Sell on SPY is gonna go down to, jeez, oh pizza. 768.84, 768.38, 767.91. And that's where it's gonna be going down to. So SQQ, 10-minute buy, SPY, 10-minute sell.
Good morning, Annie and Rob.
Good morning, Annie and Rob. Oh, what's up, Anish? Dennis, Doughboy, Fayez, Glow, Jan, Janet, John Sturt, Kirk, Larry, Lazarus, Logan's Eye, Papa, not Logan, Marley Mar and Martar, Michael, Old School Mick, Paul Orlando, Priscilla, Rob, Tasha Willis, Tiger Thomas.
Tiger Thomas.
Isn't that cool name? Tiger Thomas. Top of the morning, says Doughboy. Hi, Kevin Bree, says Benish. Good morning, says Annie and Rob. Glow says good morning. Precious is on with us this morning. We're graced by her presence. It's probably rethinking the part about getting up right now, though.
No, I'm not.
Precious.
Waking up early one day isn't gonna hurt me. It's good for me.
Good for Precious. Build that character.
Switch up the pattern.
Yeah.
Switch up the pattern.
All right, switching up pattern person. Does it look like NAS has come down already? Yes or no? Has it looked like SQQ has moved up proportionately? Maybe. Does it look like SPY has moved down? Yes or no? The same amount as NAS? That's a no. Has XSP moved further down? Yeah. Has SPX moved further down? No. Has ES1 moved further down yet? No. So if we know that NAS has and these haven't, if one lags, it'll catch up to the other ones. Correct? Good morning, George Salazar. Sorry, George. What's up, Brian Invest? Good morning. Y'all with me? So we know NAS has broke down. This has kind of come up. This hasn't come down at all. This has come down proportionally more. It's past the previous. This one hasn't come down hardly, and this one hasn't come down. So right now, are we looking for a buy or a sell on ES1, SPX, and SPY? The sell, yeah. I love you so much. You're the greatest thing ever since sliced bread. And even greater than sliced bread.
No way, not sliced.
Yeah, you're better than that.
No way.
So you're looking for sells. On SQQ, what are we looking for it to do? Yeah. And go to the blue line. Up and hit the blue line. Hit the blue line. Correct. So now you guys have a goal. Once it hits this blue line, these might very well already gone down low. See it drop right before your very eyes? See it go down before your very eyes? See it go down before your very eyes? See it go down before your very eyes? So this is what cracks me up, Precious. You know, the doubters, we never hear from them anymore, or the haters, they can't, because now that when I pulled out this, they're done.
Right.
So now what happens, let me move this over now that it's white out. You won't get that thing. There you go. Maybe this one over just a little too. There we go. All right. So what happens when this one goes up and touches can be the probability that this is going to stop going down. Or it's like it usually does. It hits it, ricochets down, comes back up, that routine. So this will be our guide of how far these will continue to go down. Look at NAS. Everything is perfect. All take profits hit on NAS. SPY still has room to go down. SPX still has room to go down. ES1. So should you play NAS right now, even though it's going to go down too? Or should you maybe play SPY or maybe SPX? This one's already hit its previous lows. These haven't. Which one should you play? The others, correct, Fias. Okay. Now, this is going to go up. See it go up before your very eyes? So they can't doubt. It's so funny to me anymore. I'm like, well, one set is red, and red means down in my system, right? In our system, and then green means up. So this is the red down. Mm-hmm. And it goes down. See it going down? It was right up here a second ago, right? Maybe 2 minutes ago it was up here. Now it's down there. Down, see it going down? They're all red. The one that's green means up. I laugh because I have to say that, but it's true. It's what it is, and green goes up. Miss Liz says lagging symbols, correct. Is that good? Mm-hmm. She's eating up a storm. Look, there it is. Visibility restricted. Took a little
It
longer
went for
this
a while,
morning.
though.
Yeah, well, now they're going to restrict it even further. Everybody understand the lessons then this morning? We went from the 10 second, 15 seconds to the 1 minute, 2 minutes, to the 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minutes, to the 30 minutes, up to the 4 hours, up to the dailies, up to the weeklies. Then I taught you how to look for the one that was lagging. Then I taught you how to combine all that knowledge to go into the NAS was down. Well, this has to go up, fill in the gap. Pink, purple, low, perfect time to enter the trade was back there. You wouldn't enter off this is fill in the gap. You have to go faster. You could have entered off this one, kind of, maybe-ish, yeah. Yeses and sevens for everybody in VIP if you're understanding what the lessons are this morning. Sevens and yeses.
Yes.
I thought it was quite helpful. TikTokers, YouTubers. Oh, Joe Big said, yep, just wanted to see one there. R fucking J. People's names. That's funny. Shepherd, Rich OBX is one of us. I don't know who R fucking J is. All right, Annie and Rob, everybody over there, glow. Yes, yes, yes. Nice. All right. What do you got, Precious? Because I have a feeling Precious won't be with us in the mornings anytime soon.
I might, you never know.
I hope you don't, Precious.
I'll be back
No.
this evening.
Yes, well, maybe. Next lives then this morning will be probably around
11.
11, and then another one around this evening around 8.
Yep.
For the VIPers, especially for the VIPers. We might be doing it public, might not, but for sure the VIP is going to be doing those. What's up, Gary Jordan? What's up, Gary?
I'll be here. Ready for my face reveal.
Maybe tonight? Are they seeing you? They've seen pictures of you and stuff.
They don't see me live and in the flesh.
Oh. Now, I haven't pulled away from here for a reason. We've been talking. Anyone notice this going up while at the same time these were going down? People have a hard time when they get to the fact where they used to think the markets were chaotic and crazy with no logic. And then I interrupt them that the markets are 100% logical and they're manipulated and it's all a scam. And there it is. How else can Bree and I sit here talking to you guys, making the correct call, not just on one symbol, but on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus NQ 6, plus YM1 and US 30. So now you're up to 8, plus SQQ going up at the same time. So while we're talking, it's basically like hitting grand slams over and over and over again with your eyes closed and hitting a baseball. It's kind of like, I don't know, Tom Brady throwing 300 touchdown passes in a game is what you're witnessing. How else can you explain it? Anyone else on here? What do you guys, how do y'all think this is occurring when this is going down and this is going up and then these are going down?
Because there's a pattern.
Yeah, these are your patterns, high probability trade
There's
patterns.
a pattern.
It's
That's
so
your
funny.
flow.
Yeah. It's so funny because when people say, oh, well, this, that, well, just take the trades I'm giving you. Yes, Larry, God bless system is right. Take profits for hit, by the way, on SQQ. See, I'm intentionally holding so they can watch this. Some days I'll pull around and, go up and down, but I was like, must be boring. I'll just sit here and talk and let them watch it.
Obviously, people like hearing us talk.
Oh, yeah, actually.
Ask us questions.
Absolutely, yes.
Ask a question. Kirk.
Yeah, oh,
Yes.
everybody. Speaking of that, does anybody have any more questions for Precious? Hey, we got daylight out there. It's overcast. Is that
Go walk.
overcast?
No.
Yeah, we should actually.
Dark outside.
Is it still kind of dark? Oh, okay.
It's only 5:45 here.
Oh, why? I think it might be a little overcast. I don't think we have any more
I forgot what I
questions.
was gonna say earlier. I don't even know what I was gonna say.
Is Tuesday's gonna be any kind of Amazon
Giveaway?
gift cards? Yeah.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
And what show? The 8 p.m. tonight?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Who were the last winners of that?
Let's see. Last Tuesday it was David, right?
And somebody, I think there's
And then
two.
no, on Friday it was
Oh,
Miss Shalita, and then it was Persistent.
Josh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yep,
Josh.
yep. Yep, see David, yeah, he was the first winner.
Uh-oh, Doughboy's asking.
I don't know. Okay, so let's see. On last Tuesday it was guess the number. On Friday it was a little fill in the blank from Spider-Man 2.
Spider-Man.
I think, oh look, little hummingbird. This Tuesday evening, I might do a fill in the blank from one of my favorite movies.
Which was The Great Gatsby?
I have a few favorite
Black
movies.
Swan?
Yeah, I like Black Swan. I like The Great Gatsby. Make it another movie so I can watch it before. I don't know.
Previous winners can't win again.
That's Larry. He hasn't won recently.
Oh, okay.
Or it might be from a TV show. I don't know. That's what makes it fun. If we tell you everything beforehand,
Oh, Fresh,
y'all know
tell
the
him.
answer. Y'all can't guess.
You should tell him, Fresh. You should tell him.
Oh
tell
my
me.
goodness.
All right, fine.
Hello, Gio Baru,
Gio, what's up, Gio?
Wolf of Wall Street.
We do
Yeah,
like
we just
Wolf of
watched
Wall
that.
Street, yeah.
There's a lot of funny scenes in that movie.
I think Leonardo DiCaprio deserved the Academy Award.
Boy,
Looking good in the neighborhood.
what if I send a nicely worded email? Oh my gosh.
Who said that? Doughboy.
Doughboy.
Oh my gosh, that's funny. They know us too well, Precious.
All right, it'll be from some movie.
A movie or a TV show? Can you narrow it down?
A movie.
Will it be a...
I don't know.
Fine.
Some movie. We already gave y'all a lot of hints though. If it's one of my favorite movies, y'all know a few of my favorite
Yeah,
movies. It
that's
might be
true.
one of those movies.
Now, my favorite movie was Terminator 2, Spider-Man 2.
Two. Frozen 2. But yeah, no, we'll see.
When do we go on? 7:30?
I don't know, when did we get on? It says 80 minutes. Yeah, that's an hour, 20 minutes ago.
It was right around there.
Chasing Mavericks.
What the heck?
That's a movie. Equalizer 2.
I never heard of Chasing Man.
I know Equalizer 2 is a movie.
Yes.
With Denzel.
Yeah, Denzel Washington. He's a good actor, great actor. Yes, watches this. Okay, Jan. Chasing Mavericks. I've never heard of that.
Let me Google it real
Maybe
quick.
is that a foreign film? Maybe.
Chasing Mavericks. 2012. Teen surfer trains hard with a local legend to ride giant, dangerous ocean waves.
So like surfer.
It has Gerard Butler in it.
I like Gerard Butler. It might not be the same role. My favorite Spider-Man line is, says David, I missed the part where that's my problem. Yeah. And then he learned to regret that when same guy went and killed his uncle. Well, they tried changing that, but that's what happened in real life. It's nice. And a true story. Oh, it's a new true story.
It's tough though. I missed the part where that was my problem.
Yeah. I got the the power of the sun in the palm of my hand.
Definitely
With
one
great
of his
power.
favorite. Yep.
Comes great responsibility. That's everybody's favorite.
Yep.
Aunt May, is she an angel? Oh, I can quote. So I can quote the whole movie if you really
It
want.
knows the whole movie from start to finish.
Yeah, pretty much. These little pullbacks and pull-ups. Be careful. You really probably don't want to get into a buy right now on any of the indices except for SQQ. Precious. We got a little bit of time then.
Yes, we-
Or we can close early.
Hold on, I'm gonna start looking at a few things.
Fine. I want to get some options. Well, now it's too late for this, it's too late for that, it's too late for this and that. You probably don't want to get into the buys on SPX at this moment in time anyways. I would not recommend that. I don't think we can't do an SQQ because that's weekly, right, on here? Damn, we ain't got shit. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. There it is. Okay. Ooh, we're almost tapped out of SPX. Let me see how much lower SPX is gonna go. Yeah, it's gonna be all right. All right, any other questions? My favorite is nice, true story. I think that's it.
Always like a heartwarming true story.
I like heartwarming true stories too, Precious.
Yeah.
I don't like when they're sad and they're scary and they have scary stuff. Especially
Now,
gore.
unfortunately, yeah, I don't like gore. I like horror, but gore is something, you know, it's kind of blood and gutty. Now, it is sad that Hayden Panettiere, I think that's how you say her last name, that
I'm not
she
sure.
passed so young. She was in
Or-
so many great, like,
Racing Stripes.
young adult movies. Yeah, and Bring It On and Ice Princess.
Yeah. Michelle Trachtenberg died too from Ice Princess. That's crazy. Wow, that is crazy. God rest their souls. You can ask questions, trivia questions about that? How much more you think? Yeah, let's talk about Nike. Says David, very sad and unexpected news. Yes, it was terrible, Doughboy. All right, let's look at Nike. We got to go away from this for a second. All right, Nike.
Man, drop it.
All right, I guess we can go here. I don't really like reusing the same one over there, but let's go there. All right, let's take a look at Nike. And then let's take a look at Nike right here, because I kept you a little something.
A little something. Little something.
Little something precious. All right. Caught my attention. Nike hits a new low. Everybody, all these 89 experts in the comment were saying Nike's done, it's going to nothing. They really were. They were saying how horrid it is. All right, so let's take a look at Nike. Shall we? All right.
That doesn't even make sense.
Yeah, they think Nike's going to go away.
Even if you didn't really know anything about reading a chart, to think that Nike is about to go out of business is kind of silly.
Whoa, this is getting really good. Yeah. How much lower? Well, you tell me, VIPers. Now, this is a way higher time frame. Purple doesn't need to come down, but is the purple down enough? Yeah. Is it as low as it could go? Nope.
No.
Pink is, though. Yep. Sniper looks locked and almost loaded. Is this the proper position? Yes or no? VIPers, start answering these questions. Yes or no? Is this a fill-in-the-gap trade? Yeah. Do we love it when price action goes below the EMAs? Yeah. Come on, let's answer. So this is a 6-month buy, fill in the gap. 12-month buy, fill in the gap. You have the 12-month low. Holy shit. 6-month pink line low. You have the 3-month pink and purple low with your red. 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Do I think this is going to hold? Yeah, for sure. But if not, that's damn well going to hold. Do I think Nike's going down to nothing? No, I do not think Nike's going down to nothing. Matter of fact, those are all my correct call-outs from before. No, it's just forming a fill-in-the-gap trade on the yearly. How long do you guys think yearly trades take? But this is an excellent time to look for some long-term options on Nike. Let me try to find them. This is absolutely a humongous 3-month, 6-month buy. Nike is not done. I'm going on record to tell you Nike will be going back to 50, 60, 70, 75. Do I hear I do. I hear 90, 80, 85, 90. My favorite take profit for Nike is 100. 100. What's it at? Nike will be going up. Well, ultimately, Nike's going to be going up 4 times. You're going to get a 400% return on Nike. But we just don't blindly go in. So let me be clear. I'm going to write this out for you. Nike is not going to, whoever thought that, they're just mentally challenged, to 0. It will be going to record. Because I don't want to hear it. Oh, well, he never said. I'm telling you in writing, it'll be going to record highs. I don't know. Give it 3 to 4 years, somewhere in that 2 to 4 year range, something like that. Not that. Neither of those numbers were the ones I wanted. 2 to 4 years, maybe sooner. Kind of look at it like it's Intel. When I called Intel when it was down in the 20s, that's how I'm seeing Nike right
It's
now.
like a lot of things. I mean,
Yeah, we got some, Mike. We got some options, but I want to get some more.
but even if you know nothing about day trading, looking at the chart or anything. To think that Nike is about to go out of business
Yeah, can you, how would,
is a little
well, I remember
silly.
when Amazon split and it was going down, it was like in the 90s, they were saying Amazon's gonna go out of business. I used to say that back then. I said, if Amazon's going out of business, you guys got a hell of a lot more worries to worry about. Because if Amazon goes out of business, end of the world's here. You might as well just forget about it. No one's surviving Amazon going to zero. Nothing. Well, you'll survive, but you don't want to be in that world. Nike, 6 months. So it's down here. I just told you how long it's going to take. You go out as long as you can on these options, but before we start looking for any buys, I would do 5 hour, 10 hours. Is this a 5 hour buy, VIPers? Yes or no? No. Is this a 10 hour buy? I don't see anything green except for the sell things. These are all sells, 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 sell. Is the blue line low enough? No, it has to go down further. So Nike isn't done going down, thank God. We want it to go further and further. 12 hour, sell. Daily, sell. These are all called out by me, by the way. I know if you ask Kim, she'll tell you. These are all called out. Easy.
Kim will tell you.
Poor Kim has to write all these down. Fill in the gaps,
Does
still
such a
not
great
done.
job, though.
Yeah, she does. Unbelievably. It's going on 2 years. November will be 2 years.
Nike.
3 weeks. Sell. Monthly. Sell. 3 monthly. Buy. All right, so there you're back at it again. There's nothing. So short-term, medium sells. Now, can we go with faster time frames and see if these are buys? Sure. 2 hours sure as hell doesn't look like a buy to me. So it's not going to happen there. 30-minute. It's a opposite. It's a fill in the gap, sell stop. Sell, Nike, back down and lower than 38.89. Pink, purple have to come down. It's going to come down. There ain't no other way around it. So if it's not 30-minute, that happens same day. Why would you look for an option and buy the option day? I'm just trying to get you guys to be a little more picky. I just said, oh, wow, it's a great time to buy an option. But you can just wait.
Nike.
Maybe wait for a 10-minute for it to flip to green. Nope, this is literally the sell stop of that 15-minute sell. Fill in the gap. Hi, Precious.
Nike.
That looks better. That looks better. Nope. We have a buy to the 3-minute blue line of Nike. What is that, $40.26 or something? Yeah. There you go. You have a 3-minute buy. You have these sells here in the 15-minute range, 10, 15-minute range. So it's going to, in other words, it's going to hook up and come back down. It's going to go lower than that one right there. Then what's going to happen? Well, that same thing for your 1 hours. Then you come all the way back up here to that 3 months. And all of a sudden, these little things going up and down, they're just going to do this. It's going to form
Back. Now I'm up all of a sudden.
like that.
And I'm right back down again.
And that's what price action is going to do. These will turn to green like this. Then we know this will hollow out. Do the fill in the gap trade and come back up too. And then
They
these
gotta
will
send me the
rise up, and then you'll see that blue hold, pink, purple will come down like that. Are my drawings starting to make more sense to you guys now, yes or no? Because before I don't think they knew what was happening, how I was doing it, but now that I've explained it a million times, I think they're catching. I think they got it. Yes, every day gets a little better, says David. Hey, good. I know it's not my drawings, it's his understanding of it. All right, so Nike. Record highs. Oh yeah, it's going past 180 again, big time. That was fun. All right, Precious, what do you got?
Pop trivia.
Go, baby.
Pop trivia.
What are we popping?
$50 gift card.
$50
$50 Amazon gift card.
We don't have to give away gift cards every time.
Oh, I know.
Oh, okay. So is this the spur of the moment one?
Spur of the moment one. Spur of the moment.
All right. Whoa. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
It pertains to Nike.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Who is the mythological Nike?
I do not know.
By the way, who is it? Where does that name come from? Apollos? Nope. Michael Jordan Achilles? Nope, not that.
Michael Jordan. Where does the name come from? Nike-O?
Nope, not exactly.
Has nothing to do with Apollo? Achilles? Joe Big, I guess.
Nike Ajax missile? No. Achilles? No.
Glow said Nike. Glow. Everything always relates back to.
Goddess, exactly. The Greek goddess of what, though? That's what I'm looking for.
Ancient Greek.
Right.
Oh.
Victory.
Yep. The Greek goddess of victory. Yes.
Oh. Hey, David just won. Didn't he?
Oh my, well, I guess we can give it to Brian. He said a victory. And David just won. Oh my gosh, David. You're too good.
Yeah, David's on top of this shit. Well, that's why David always answers a lot of my questions, too.
I know.
Google one. Well, hey, I'd Google it. $50.
So that's what the Nike company is named after. Nike.
A
the
goddess
Greek,
of victory.
The Greek goddess of victory.
Dang, how's
Yes.
come I never knew that. Like they don't talk about that, or I don't know. Never comes up. I've never heard that. Like it's not in their ads. It's like, I don't know. I just did not just do it fast.
Oh.
Larry, you're fine. Cool. So Brian Invest wins. He needs to send a nicely worded email to our official email address and $50 Amazon gift card. Woohoo! Well, good for him. Congratulations.
Just a little pop trivia, pop quiz. Just a little pop.
I just threw that out there. You're so sweet, Rachel. You're so sweet.
I thought more people knew, honestly.
Why am I so tempted to go running and hunt for a Nike option? Just buy Nike stock. At this point, for the love of God, what is it, 30?
It's cheap.
40? Buy 2 shares.
Cheaper than a pair of their shoes.
Amen. You see how dumb and they're going to waste. People will spend, how much do they spend on these damn shoes? Like
People-
$2,000-$3,000?
So riddle me this. Riddle me this.
The
You
ignorance.
think they're about to go out of business because their stock is at whatever
50,
it's at,
40.
$40. Their shoes alone, they sell one pair of shoes for $100, $150, $200.
Can you imagine?
math
It's
ain't
over.
mathin'.
Their shoes
Right.
cost more than that. People are so ignorant.
Right.
Just like if you'd have bought all the iPhones, you'd be poor because they're all useless and worthless, right? But if you'd invested all the money you would have put into iPhones, I think you would have been a millionaire or some story of that and such over the years.
Right.
This
If you
came
took
out.
the money that you would have spent on the new
And bought the
iPhone
stock.
every year, right, and invested it in Apple.
You'd be a millionaire.
But I mean, that's why the older I get and the more passionate I become about finances, though I'm not a financial advisor, not claiming to be a
That's
financial
right.
advisor.
No, baby.
But the more I see that a lot of the times when people say they don't have money to save or invest, they actually
They do.
do. They just don't want to. Because every time we go to the mall, we go to a restaurant, a movie theater, a concert, anywhere and everywhere, there are people there spending
Jam-packed.
all kinds of money, right? But then somewhat, the statistics show that Americans are in debt and they have no savings, they have no retirement. It just doesn't make sense. So the people, they have the money, they just choose not to save or invest. And it's a costly decision.
Unbelievably so. Without investing your money, look how much you can grow it and just let it compound without having to do anything. You just leave it sit and it works for you.
One of my friends says she'd rather spend money on little things for joy than to save it. Now, don't get me wrong. I mean,
All
look,
precious spends.
it's okay to treat yourself.
Precious does.
And, you know, we're here to do more than just work and pay bills. That's not what I'm saying. But
There's got
I
to be a
think
balance.
when people prioritize the spending for the little dopamine hit, right, which
Drug addicts.
that goes away eventually, right? And you know, you can't retire on the joy that you got from spending the money, can you? You can't really take care of yourself
A balance.
off
Save
the
some.
joy you,
Spend some, save some. Balance.
right?
Guy could take you tomorrow, but then he might not. And then if he doesn't, you don't have any money and you're poor as a senior citizen having to work.
Yeah, like it's the balance.
Yep.
And no, I'm not like Dave Ramsey or Kevin O'Leary. I'm not saying, well, if you would just stop drinking the $7 cup of coffee every day, you
True,
would be
though.
able to save. The point is, it's the habit, right? It's not the fact that your coffee costs $5, $6, $7. It's the fact that a lot of people have those habits. They spend $7 here, $10 here, $20 there, $30, you know.
Yep.
And then before they know it, they've spent however much in a day. And it's like those little habits, right? Those little treats, they add up. They do.
Oh,
You know.
ungodly.
And it,
But if you don't,
Yeah.
if they cut back on those and invest the difference, make your money, whatever you're earning. If it's 50,000, you get taxed 10, you're off 40. You can live, you know, try to live off of 20, save the 20, invest the 20. You can't just save it, you have to invest the difference. And it really, I mean, it's how you got to live life. Whether you're, I don't care if you're a doctor or whether you're a trash collector, whether you're a lifeguard, whatever you are, professional golfer, you know, make money, spend a little less than you earn, and then invest the difference. Invest it though.
we have a saying, small animals do poop too.
That's a pop too? Poop too?
Pop too, poop too. That's funny.
I'm following that one.
I could see it, like, even though they eat little, they still poop. Like, even though you spend little, it still goes
builds
somewhere.
up, yeah.
Right, yeah.
So
That
far,
makes sense.
26 shares. Oh, nice. 26 shares.
That makes sense.
Look at Keeman, dollar cost average. Look at Jan go. And then Brian says his son just went through Greek history. That would help.
Well, your son's Greek history. It's got your little Amazon treat.
Yeah.
Well, Amazon treat. Oh, yes, that's exactly how it's meant. Smart breed. Right, yeah. I figured.
Breed new.
So though they eat little, it still goes somewhere. Though you spend little, it still adds up, right?
Precious.
Exactly. It still means something.
Means that I'm going to go in here and buy some Nike, even though it's going to go down further.
Morning Fam, morning Kevin Bree. Marion Golden was a trash man and now a multimillionaire and talks about it all the time.
Yeah, there
Yeah.
you go. Oh, there's tons of stories like that.
I think trash collecting, I don't know why people look down on it in society.
Silly.
It's a very important part of society and they pay reasonably well.
Yeah, they used to. I'm not sure lately, but yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, anyone that's any job that's a, you know, you're not hurting someone else's job, then yeah, it's a good job.
But especially in American culture, the people, as soon as people make more, they spend more.
That's the problem.
That just seems to be what
So
happens in a lot of American culture. As soon as people make a little more money, they want a nicer house, they want a nicer car, they up their lifestyle. You know, and it's like, And there's fine doing that, some. But not when you have absolutely no savings, no retirement, no investments.
See old school me?
I used to own a waste recycling company. One man's rubbish, another man's gold. There you go. There you go. But yeah, so it's those habits I see in a lot of people. Once again, it's not necessarily the price, but it's the habit. People are so used to buying the coffee every day and the fast food meal and going to the store and buying something they don't really need for $50, $100.
Did I say 38 on Nike? I don't know. What the hell did I say? Is that what I said?
For where it's at now?
I don't know. Does he mean now? Well, isn't it like 39 or something? What's
Yeah, I
that?
think it is around the $40 mark right now.
Yeah. We should go buy some.
But yeah, even
Thank you,
Lululemon.
Precious.
Don't get me wrong. I mean, I have a few things from Lululemon, but even I am taken aback at some of the prices. I'm like, wow.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
I don't know. I think someone unmuted themselves.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Now they can do it.
I mean, that's just crazy.
Did I say 38 on Nike? Maybe. In regards to what, Larry? Oh, that red, bleeding red Nike on a daily too. Boy, look at that down. That is hard. To the left, red. I mean, look at how you can even deny just that. Green goes up. Red goes down. Green to the left, up and down. Yeah, that's hard.
Slide to the left.
Yeah.
Slide to the right.
Yeah.
One hop this time.
2 hops this time.
But,
Sell before it goes to the 3-minute blue line. 3-minute blue. Sell before it goes to the 3-minute blue line. Precious. Yeah, it's the Nike's a buy.
Old Kev ADB is Nike now.
It's actually a ricochet to the 1-minute blue line, yes. It has to go 1 minute, then the 2-minute, then the 3-minute. What's that, baby?
Rick O'Shea. Nothing, I'm just reading over there.
I have what's ABD? This is like
Adobe?
Nike and now.
Is that Adobe? This is what we said we would look for.
Oh, is that when we said Glow? We were calling out $33 back then. That's right, baby.
Slide to the left. Slide.
I would wait. Yeah, I think that's still a good call for 33. All right, let's look up. What's the first one was mentioned? ADBE. Adobe. Good job, Precious. You knew that was Adobe, Precious.
I mean, what else would it be?
It's a buy to the 3-minute blue line. You got that right, baby.
Singer.
Ooh, there we go again. 10-minute, 15-minute ricochet back down to $252.78 for Adobe. 1 hour buy. 4 hour. Matter of fact, why we got this small? Oh, gorgeous. 4 hour buy. 291.27. That's something. Maybe you can read the numbers, and that way I can just click. Buy Adobe to the 10 hour.
332. 332.
To the 12 hour? Yeah, it actually is. All solid green to the 12 hour.
342.
Nice, but that's a big help
342.
actually. Thank you, Precious. Kind of not the greatest here. This is a sell for the daily. If it's red on the weekly, and you're fucked. Oh, you're doing the ricochet.
The Rick O'Shea.
You see the weekly, it came down, hit,
Yep.
boom, knocked down to here. It's going to ricochet back up, either touch the yellow line hook and come down. Nope, it's going to go higher. It's going to go in the channel maybe, or it's going to go above the channel hook and come back down. Daily, weekly sell. Jeez. Down to 190. Oh, that's you. If you want, 196.
196, 89.
There you go.
196, 89.
Not, okay, no. There you go, 3 months. Long. 3 months, 6 month buy. But this is still gonna go up. Adobe is absolutely gonna be going back up. Is that red right there?
Adobe.
Yep, that's red. So this is officially a 3 month, 6 month. Whew. Adobe, it's very good though if you guys have, it's a little more expensive to buy a share of this.
259.39.
Yeah, it's going to here,
295.83.
going to here,
319.02.
going to here,
375.34.
going to here.
468.09.
That, fine.
501.22.
Thank
Demo
you.
trade only. I am not a financial
So
advisor.
Adobe, says Jan, I like it. And now foods, is that what that is? What's a now?
It's like Nike and now.
Now. Nope, not quite a 3 month. Monthly. This is a little faster. And is this now, what is now? Is now foods? Now what? What is it now? Okay, I don't care.
Now food. I don't know what that is, Bob.
It's a vitamin place.
Oh.
All right. Now foods is a, yeah, there had to be a sell. Sell to 117.14. Buy to the 4 hour blue line 130.35. Buy to the 12 hour blue line 140.57. Oh, that's nice. Daily buy on now. Is this company worth anything? Do they have volume? 133.11. That's nice. And it's hooking down right now. Let me guess, this is a weekly sell, isn't it? Son of a bitch. 91.46. May with options, it is soon something. They are for workflow IT. Oh, okay. Well, they're going to dip, unfortunately, a little longer term. But they're eventually going up. This is eventually, long term eventually. This is actually really good. Take profit, 139.10, 150, 160, 170, 180. It's actually very, very nice.
Demo trade only. I am
Okay,
not
market
a
open in
financial
9
advisor.
minutes. Let's see if my
We
alarms go
are
off.
not
right too.
financial advisors.
All right, those are both good, Jan. Thank you for bringing those to our attention. You can watch those. You can look in. I would specifically wait for a 5 hour, 10 hour buy stop. 5 hour, 10 hour buy stop is what I just said. There's your 5 hour, 10 hour buy stop, fill in the gap. There it's going to the daily. This is nice. This should be put on our list. Hold on.
Service now. I used to work for them.
Oh, are they any good?
Oh yeah, it's a great company. They just split from like $900 some.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah.
it. This is going to be solid right there, Kirk. This is a very, this option on this, oh, fuck. All right, let's go look for one. How am I going to pay for this? We're probably going to pay out the ass, aren't we? So strike price that we can go up to comfortably. We can actually do the money on this. This is rolling down right now. Hold on, let me see that. First, we're going to do some options, possibly for other people. You, Carson, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah, but the purple isn't quite low enough on the 5. Oh, well, that's 10. Okay, that's better. Do the in the money, but it's going to go up to 1. You remember 140, Precious?
Yes.
All right, now we're going to go hunt. We're going to go over to here. We're going to build. We're going to build a long call. We're on option strat. It's actually free. What's the name of the symbol we were looking at?
Now.
N-O-W. Now service, okay? And we can go out, we don't have to go out anywhere, actually. We can go out, what was that one? So this is a 5-10 hour. Oh, happy birthday, Precious. It's not a birthday. It's just what I say when I do things. I swear to All right, we're gonna go out to, we can be done in 2 weeks, somewhere around here. How much volume? What's the price I said?
140.
140, thank you, baby. Oh, what? Oh, much better. Damn, how much do they want over here? Whoa, wait, that's $835 for in the money contract? Damn,
Dang nabbit.
pretty rough. Oh, no. Can I get this to be done in a week? I don't have to go back and look at the old ones. I don't know about that.
I don't know about you.
Nah. How about around my birthday?
20.
Whoa. Where is it? So it's under 120 now, right? Why does this look funny to me? That's how much they want? Damn. We don't need to go that far out. What's 1 month from today? The 18th of September?
Yes.
How much volume? 93 contracts is all the open interest? No, because there's more here. Look, what's this up here? Nope, not much more. And what I tell you, 140?
Mm-hmm.
Boy, this isn't, I don't really like to go out that high with, they must be doing some kind of verticals. Kevin would be proud of me for noticing. $2. $2. What if we go out to here then, if that's what the case was? $2. Oh, there's a lot of open interest. Kev would love that at 150. But I called 140, right? I don't like that. We're not going to go that high out. We'll look at this 130. We just don't need to go out this far. Oh, hell no. We ain't doing that. All right, let's put it out here. I'm going to try one anyways. Let's see. Wide bid. Why is there a wide bid ask? David, what is your bid ask on this thing? Is it wide? Where'd Kev go to? Where's all my people? Where's Mike?
Yeah, hold on 1 second. I was stepping away. Which month are you looking at?
We were looking at now, NOW.
Yeah, I got the stuff.
Long calls, September 25th.
September 25th, okay.
They're saying it's a 21%. I don't understand that. Maybe because it's after hours or something. I don't know why they're doing that. 18% on that one. Let me see what this is. No, too much. We can split it though. We don't have to go all the way up or down. 18. No, I'm not comfortable with that. Can we pull it off like in a week? $2. Well, what if I went up and out? Sorry, Precious, might be boring to everybody.
No. Gotta do what you gotta do.
10 hours, 2 days, 1, 2. This is gonna take a minute though. Fill in the gap, fill in the gap. See, how long was this? This is too long. When it broke over, which this isn't even in time to break over yet. We don't have to purple down. 11, 27th, 27th. 11 to 27th. No, see, that took a week. That's gonna take longer. 12 hour. Yeah, see, there's no way. This is gonna take way longer. How long is the daily one again? Let me see. Can we get this to go back up? Yes, it's going to do it. It's going to go back up today, but this pink has to drop first. We can wait for more of a drop. 135. I'm just not comfortable. If this is this 15 minute also? Is this a 15 minute? Oh, hold on. No, we got to get out of that. That's the problem. Oh, fuck, we're not going to get out of that. Nope, we're not going to get out of that. That's going to hit that 10, 15 minute sell. Yeah. Oh, well, let me see if I can just 3 hour, 4 hour, 1:30. But see, it's forming the blue. The hook is coming down. Oh, jeez. All right, put an alert on this one. 117, 115. Put an alert, a glow if you would, please. Pretty please. And see if we can get this to dip down a little bit more. Is there a 5 minute?
928, 928.
Oh shit, market open. Fuck, thanks, Boo.
Good morning, card man.
What's up, card man? You're on with my beautiful wife, Bree.
Card man.
And 1 minute to market open, 1 minute to market open. All right, are we playing market open? Yeah. I don't see this complete on the 10-minute SQQ, meaning the green line, dotted line didn't touch the blue line yet. A little pullback here. Still a sell here. It hasn't gone down to the previous. Okay, so the overall for the next several hours this morning, buy SQQ to exactly the blue line right below it, actually. $38, okay? Sell specifically, I kind of like ES1 better than the other ones there. Sell ES1, also SPY isn't terrible, it's kind of almost done. And that's what I look at. Now the faster time frames for us. Oh, market open, damn. Nothing we can do, let's just stay here for a second. There's the movement up on SQQ. Look for the down, yeah, there's the down. Let me see how far that came down. Yeah, nice little pull. Where's the up at? Yeah. All right, we're not going to stay on much longer. We're going to go ahead and go. I would keep looking for those sells on SPY, SPX until this blue line on SQQ is hit or comes a little closer, until the up happens more. All right. TikTokers, God bless. Remember, spend time with people you love, especially your beautiful wife.
Bye, TikTokers.
YouTubers, same to you. Maybe. There we go. VIP.